What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. Looking at house number 4. Got the shop over there. You really ain't got no neighbors except over there. Huge yard. I'm really getting tired looking at houses, low key. But yeah, it's a decent house. I think it's sitting on 2 acres. So you got propane right there. I think it goes back to that opening right there. So it's a good sized yard. You got a shop over there. Shop has a separate driveway. So I like this one because it has a lot of space for maybe a second shop, or maybe expand that one, or really just knock it down and put a bigger one right there. Maybe push it back some more. Anyway, let's check out the house. It has that old people smell.
Yep. Like cigarette smell though.
Yeah.
What happened to your furniture, cuz?
Yeah, it is.
That's just old.
I think it's
Smell
cigarettes.
cigarettes?
Yeah, cigarettes.
You?
Old cigs.
Yeah, it's old cigs. Yeah, definitely cigarettes.
So,
Can you take your shoes off? Mine are brand new.
yeah. Ooh, look at those. Look at those freshies. So they have
Kitchen's not bad.
1 years.
Okay, so these cabinets could be painted white.
They're nice cabinets.
Is this?
Stovetop.
Why does it look like this?
What do you mean?
This is the top, it's not the whole stove.
Yeah.
That's
I
weird.
know, but I just
And then you got a range over here. You know, like this, how they have this cut out.
yeah.
Newer windows. Roof is 18 years old. So I have gotten 5 roofs replaced in the past month and a half. So it's one of those things too, though. If there is noticeable hail damage, you can kind of throw that in.
Right. So this is
That's the basement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
struggle.
Huh?
Tall people would struggle being right here.
Well, I mean, I'm 6'2". It's not terrible. I mean,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
yeah, Mike might have.
Right.
Little problems.
Mike told me I can install it here.
This is a big yard.
It's pretty giant.
And we need a fence.
Is the site?
Probably closer to like probably
250?
I got a lot of updates that
Yeah.
need to happen. You know what I mean?
I guess you had to put dirt or gravel
You're
over
also
there.
paying for the land, you know.
Yeah, it's
How
the
many
land.
acres?
For
is
2
this?
acres, just over 2.
Yeah. It's nice. I love this.
The yard's
Too far
this is
away.
like the biggest we probably want.
So, I mean, being close to 199th Street is so ideal too, just because you're kind of closer to the development that's moving,
Yeah,
south,
this way.
Yeah.
and you're also close. You're not too far from 69.
I-
No,
Yeah.
not at all.
I feel like this property would go up in value.
Yeah, for sure.
Later, if you updated it.
Well, all these new housing and stuff around it.
Yeah, if you just drive down, I sold a house just right off of Ridgeview Road over here too for like 320. I mean, it's a newer development, but that was a year and a half ago. But you just continue to see more and more development. So,
Yeah, it's happening. For
yeah.
sure.
Especially like 5-10 years down the road, values will
And
go.
this main road, I don't think doesn't seem too busy.
199th, no. I mean, like I said, you got cornfields over there. I mean, it's
That's a nice garage over there. Those people have.
I mean, it needs some work.
Needs a lot of work, but at least it's not like those ones we've seen that are 300 and still need work. You know what I mean?
It's an old house. It's just all the rooms are big. Old closets.
Because the rooms aren't tiny.
No. Oh, this one's bigger. Is this the master?
Yeah.
Or is that upstairs? I don't know.
Not too bad.
No, I mean, it's, like you say, it's dated, but it's a good size, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, this would be like an office, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell this is.
I'm not working up here to play that much.
What is it? Just empty storage?
Yeah.
An attic?
Yep.
Huh.
Well, at least you can tell that it's only one layer of roofing.
In there? Yeah. Oh, they didn't smoke up here. It's all downstairs.
Space though, I think.
Yeah. Say?
This would be where the bodies are. Oh, the wash.
No,
That's
that's where the bodies would be.
That's the basement. So this is the garage.
Take a look here.
Oh, okay. This is huge. This is big.
Oh, it goes back real far.
Yeah, so you have a workbench, whatever you want.
You could fit 2 cars on that side.
Hey, you could. You could fit. Man, it's.
It's actually bigger than I thought it was.
Is there no light? Inside the door. It's another switch. There you go.
Live it up.
It's a pretty good sized garage. It's deep.
Lots of storage. Like nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, I mean, all the walls look great.
The foundation, like the concrete.
Yeah. It's got one crack there. Set the crack.
What's this? What's this right here with the water?
Dehumidifier.
Dehumidifier.
Yeah.
Think it's a problem why I have it running like that?
No, I mean, it doesn't say. See, you can kind of see over here
Yeah.
that they ended up having some water come in.
Yeah. What's
but-
that? What's that right there?
So I'm assuming this is probably through the chimney.
That's chimney or water?
Yeah.
They put a bucket to block it.
It's right sides, I guess. They're probably. Oh, look at this! We got our problem fixed.
You think it's
So,
water or?
I think so. Your chimney's right here. I'm thinking. So the clean out's on the other side. So I'm thinking that maybe there's a leak or something, or there's a gap. That's
Oh, the water, rain coming in or something?
yeah.
Hmm. It's like an old water softener or filters. Yeah, I think-
Just walked in a spider web.
This door looked like it never gets open. Is that a sliding door?
Yep. Oh, and there's electric already in here.
Yeah, it said electric and water.
No floor.
Great.
Nope.
And daylight everywhere. No, this is where the bodies are. Oh my God. You can't even. Yeah, but it has no door.
I like have such a fierce spider web on me, like I can't even get out.
It's a swing. How's that door gonna open? There's latches.
Really, nigga?
Yeah, and then you
Oh,
just
it does
slide
slide.
it.
Yeah, it does
Yeah.
slide. Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, I was thinking like another option too is if you found the right property. Let's say something.
Like a $60,000 lot. I've seen a couple of those.
Yeah, that too. You know, then you could find a builder and build the house that you want.
Right.
Yeah.
That's I think what I want to talk about more with you to understand what that like.
Oh, I found the water.
Oh, there you go.
Really, nigga?
So building houses typically they require sometimes require 20% up front
Yeah.
to do. But like I said, I've got another agent in my office that does it frequently. So let me talk to him a little bit and see kind of how the process is and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah.
As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.